Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to swap crypto on Kraken Pro, which is a new method. So to get started with the easy guide, the first thing to do is to open your Kraken Pro app. Then after that you have to log in into your Kraken Pro account on mobile. Then from there you have to tap the trading button at the bottom of the screen. Then search and select the crypto pair you want to swap. For example, you can swap between BTC/ETH, which is Bitcoin/Ethereum. If swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum is your option, then after that you have to tap buy if you are buying the new crypto, then tap sell if you are selling the existing crypto. Then select the market order for instant swapping at current price or enter the amount you want to swap. Then after that you have to confirm and review, so double check all the details, then tap submit order to complete the swap. And that's how you can simply swap cryptos on Kraken Pro. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.